This I got practically for free too. Let's go ahead and get this quarter intake situated here. Put it up there. And that air filter, damn, that shit is dirty. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and remove this clip from the mass airflow, take all these couplers off, boom, boom, get that out the way, and put that Cobb in there. We're gonna get some sound tests. All right, it's a pretty straightforward kind of situation here. Take this coupler off, take the box off, unplug all this stuff. Get that out of the way. So I'm gonna grab a screwdriver, loosen up these clamps. Then we take that bolt out right there with that nut, and we should be able to take it out. Airflow sensor. I may swap it over here to this intake. I don't know, this one might be good. I just know that it came from the previous owner, and I do know that the one on the stock box is fine. But maybe I'll just run this one and just see, maybe fine. So that bracket down here, I'm actually gonna need that screw back to go down where I took that 10 mil from. So from the stock hosing, it's gonna have this like metal plastic type piece in it. Make sure you take this off the clamp, loosen it, and take this out. So that way you can put it to the new rear intake. So the small end goes into the intake here, and then this wide end goes into like the coupler over there. And this clamp will get tight on there. Clean. It's kind of mass airflow sensor in. I mean, that's it. It's a lot more space. I can now get to the O2 sensor a little bit better. Let's go ahead and start it up, see how it sounds. Quarter intake is installed, and I should end the video right here. So if you tuned in for this long, or if you stuck around for however long you stuck around, I definitely appreciate you. So this is going to be like the new semi kind of build-ish a little bit. Not going to do too much to it, like I already mentioned what I was going to do. But till next time, y'all, like, share, subscribe, comment. That's it for today's video. Make sure, like I said, like, share, subscribe, comment. There's going to be more content on this car coming up. On the road to 2,000 subs. I appreciate everyone, every single one of y'all. But let's get out of here. I have some more stuff to do today.